Imagine this, a fire blazing inside you, powering every single move you make. But it's not a forest fire or a BBQ flame. Nope, it's a combustion reaction happening right inside your cells. Yep, sounds crazy, right? But here's the kicker. We can't see it, and it's nothing like lighting a match. So, does that mean we're all just walking around with invisible engines inside us? Stick around, because today, we're diving into one of biology's coolest hidden secrets. And before you get worried, no, you're not going to spontaneously combust while watching this video. Or will you? Just kidding, I think. All right, let's get serious. We know fire needs fuel, oxygen, and heat. So, what if I told you that every single cell in your body relies on a very similar formula to keep you going? Instead of a fiery explosion, our bodies use a carefully controlled process known as cellular respiration. It's like having a super efficient tiny power plant in each cell. But the question is it really combustion? The science of combustion versus cellular respiration. To really understand, let's break down what a combustion reaction actually is. In simple terms, it's when a fuel combines with oxygen to release energy, usually with heat and often light. Think of a campfire or a car engine revving. Now, our cells need energy too, but they don't release it as explosive heat and light. Instead, they use glucose, a type of sugar, as fuel. And when it reacts with oxygen, voila, energy for all your cells. But wait, this reaction is like a cool combustion, slow, steady, and controlled. No flames, no fireworks, just smooth, invisible power. So, if you're feeling a little cooler than usual, you can thank your cells for keeping their combustion on the down low. I mean, if we actually did burn with a flame, imagine the sunscreen bill. Cellular respiration, the step-by-step breakdown. Here's the juicy part. How does this process actually go down in our cells? It all starts in the mitochondria, the powerhouses of our cells. Bet you didn't see that one coming. Cellular respiration happens in three big stages, kind of like a three-part movie, and the stakes get higher with each step. First, we have glycolysis, which sounds fancy, but is basically the breaking down of glucose into smaller parts. This happens in the cytoplasm. And while it's not exactly exciting, it's essential for preparing glucose for the big action scenes. Then comes the Krebs cycle. Imagine this as the intense training montage. It's here that most of the energy carriers are prepared for the final act. And finally, we've got the electron transport chain. This is where the real magic happens, where energy is released in the form of ATP, the molecule that fuels everything from flexing your muscles to firing up your brain cells. Ever wonder what would happen if this process went wrong? I mean, what if our cellular combustion got out of hand? Stay tuned, because what happens next is both amazing and a little terrifying. What could go wrong? Here's the mind-blowing part. If our cells' respiration process were like real combustion, the heat would damage our cells, cooking them from the inside out. But nature has given us an amazing way to release energy without the harmful effects of actual fire. Yet, things don't always go perfectly. Sometimes cellular respiration can lead to the production of harmful molecules called free radicals. These are like tiny bullies that can damage your DNA and cause aging, even diseases. But don't worry, your body has defenses too. Antioxidants, found in many fruits and veggies, come to the rescue, neutralizing these free radicals. Talk about an internal superhero team, right? So, if you ever feel a little overheated, maybe it's just your free radicals acting up. Grab an apple, and you're all set. So, to answer the question, is there a combustion reaction in cells? Technically, yes, but it's a carefully managed microscopic version that's nothing like the fiery images we imagine. No explosions, no sparks, just pure, efficient energy release. keeping us alive and thriving every second of every day. And this invisible process is one of the most miraculous, awe-inspiring things our bodies do. Every breath you take and every move you make is fueled by this steady, hidden reaction, nature's way of keeping us safe and powerful, without us even realizing it. Now, if you're as fascinated by how our bodies work as I am, you'll want to check out our next video on the psychology of human behavior. Discover why we make the choices we do and how our minds, just like our cells, have hidden mysteries waiting to be unlocked. And if you enjoyed learning something new today, give this video a thumbs up. Share it with friends who need a bit of science in their life. And don't forget to subscribe to Info and Flow for more incredible science content. Also, if you have any questions about today's topic or if there's something else you're curious about, drop it in the comments. Your curiosity fuels this channel,